welcome back to my channel Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make viand à Kalalou, also known as beef with okra. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below, and thank you so much for watching all my videos. And for the people who are new to my channel, who just students, please thank you so much, and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients: 3 pounds of beef shank, salt, 1 cup of white vinegar, half cup lime juice, 2 lime. Those ingredients are just for cleaning. For the seasoning part, I will need 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sour orange juice, 2 tablespoons Haitian epis, 1 tablespoon of Sofrito, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic salt, 1 tablespoon complete seasoning, and 1 packet of chicken bouillon. For the cooking part, we need 2 pounds of okra, 1 hot pepper, 1 whole onion, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, parsley, thyme, 5 cloves, and 1 tablespoon of regular butter. Now I'm cutting the meat and removing the fat. Now I'm adding the cleaning ingredients to clean the meat. After I clean the meat 3 times, I will pour hot water all over the meat. After you pour in the hot water all over the meat, let it sit for 5 minutes. I will add the seasoning ingredients. After I put the seasoning ingredients, I let it marinate for 30 minutes. After the meat has been marinated for 30 minutes, I put my pot in medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I put the meat in. I put 1 cup of hot water to cook the meat. Now I'm cleaning the okra by removing the head and the tail. I'm adding some lime juice to the okra so it won't be slimy. After 20 minutes has passed, I'm browning the meat by adding a little bit of water from time to time. After a couple minutes has passed, I'm still browning the meat. After the meat has been browned for several minutes, I will add the tomato paste to make the sauce. On one side of the pot, I'm adding the okra so it can cook. Now I'm adding parsley, thyme, and hot pepper. After 25 minutes has passed, I'm adding a little bit of salt and butter for better flavor. It's only optional. Now I'm adding onion because I like onions. You don't have to put onions, but I like it. This is the final result. Bon appétit! I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you so much and bye bye.